Welcome back to Future Cars Updates, where we dive into the most iconic and groundbreaking cars from the past, present, and future. Today, we're taking a nostalgic trip back to the late 1950s to talk about an American classic, the 1958 Chevrolet Biscayne. This car, though often overshadowed by some of its more glamorous siblings, holds an important place in Chevrolet's history, and today we're going to explore why the Chevrolet Biscayne was introduced in 1958 as part of Chevy's full-size lineup. It was designed to be a more affordable, practical option compared to its fancier counterparts like the Bel Air or the Impala. While it may not have been dripping in chrome or equipped with the most lavish interior, the Biscayne had a clean, simple design that appealed to everyday Americans looking for a solid, reliable car. One of the first things you'll notice about the 1958 Biscayne is its understated, yet elegant look. This was the first year Chevrolet adopted quad headlights, which became a major design trend for the time. The body was lower, wider, and longer than previous years, giving it a more modern, streamlined appearance. The front grille spanned the width of the car, making it look bold, while the rear featured subtle tail fins, a design cue that was all the rage during that era. The 1958 Chevrolet Biscayne wasn't just about looks, it also packed a decent punch under the hood. Buyers had several engine options, starting with the basic 235 cubic inch inline-six engine that produced around 145 horsepower. For those looking for more power, there was the 283 cubic inch V8, which could push out 185 horsepower, and even a 348 cubic inch V8 available with various power outputs, depending on the configuration. Though the Biscayne wasn't positioned as a high-performance vehicle, it offered smooth handling and a solid ride, making it ideal for families and everyday driving. The car's suspension was engineered to handle the uneven roads of the 1950s, providing comfort without sacrificing control. Inside, the 1958 Biscayne was designed with practicality in mind. While it lacked some of the luxury touches found in higher-end models like the Bel Air, it still offered a comfortable and spacious cabin. The seats were large and accommodating, easily fitting 6 passengers. The dashboard was simple but functional, with large, easy-to-read dials and controls. What's interesting about the Biscayne is that, while it was positioned as a budget-friendly car, it didn't feel cheap. Chevrolet made sure that even the more affordable models maintained a level of quality that would keep customers happy. The cloth upholstery, while not as glamorous as leather, was durable and well-suited for daily use. The 1958 Chevrolet Biscayne may not be the most famous model from Chevy's lineup, but it played a key role in the brand's success. It was the perfect car for middle-class America, offering a great balance of style, practicality, and value. Over the years, the Biscayne would go on to become a symbol of the working-class hero, a car that wasn't flashy but got the job done day in and day out. Today, the 1958 Biscayne is a cherished classic among car enthusiasts. Its simple yet timeless design has aged beautifully, and it remains a favorite at car shows and among collectors. Whether you're drawn to it for its history, its styling, or its significance in Chevrolet's lineup, there's no denying the Biscayne's lasting appeal. That's it for today's deep dive into the 1958 Chevrolet Biscayne. If you enjoyed this trip down memory lane and want to see more classic car reviews, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Future Cars Updates. Let us know in the comments what classic car you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.